Somebody is enjoying her rug and the sunshine this morning. And never let it be said that we don't have any solar. Enjoy it today.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Yeah.
Because tomorrow's going to be a rude awakening.
That's
both
right.
5:30 a.m. and no carbs.
No carbs.
Yeah,
right.
so enjoy it. It's a buckwheat pancake. I'm trying to use up anything in the house that might be a temptation.
Right.
Are you helping me with the laundry? Is it still nice and warm in there? I won't shut the door on you. We're taking care of those last minute chores, things we need to get done before we get back to the grind. And Johnny has a few minutes. He's going to help me install my new EcoFlex here in my bathroom with the smart nightlight feature, which actually the smart nightlight's not made by Amazon, but Amazon sells it and it's meant to go with the Flex. So let's check it out.
So I've just set up the EcoFlex in Mom's room. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 2:40 p.m. and happy birthday.
So yeah, it's all set up. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the nightlight now. So I've set up the nightlight onto Amazon Flex. Alexa, turn on first light.
Okay.
Alexa, set first light to green.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off first light.
Okay.
And there you have it. It's all set up.
Okay.
Alexa, set first light to red.
Okay.
Wow, that's pretty cool. I like that. I like it a lot, as a matter of fact.
Alexa, turn off first light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on first light.
Okay.
And it remembers whatever the last color was. Okay, and I see there's a mute button on it if I want to mute it. What happens if I press this button?
That's the setup button, I think.
Okay, and this is the mute button? Okay. And does it have a motion detector?
I don't know.
We'll have to research that further. Okay, way cool. So the light is UL listed, and it does say it's suitable for damp locations, so the fact that we've put it in the bathroom shouldn't be a problem. So Johnny has put the night light into auto mode, and when it's dark enough in here, it automatically comes on. So it'll just be on in the evenings when the house is dark, as best as I know. And if you turn it on or off in the interim, it disables auto mode for 12 hours. But you can change the color and other stuff while it's in auto mode. So anyway, it's in auto mode right now, and I think that's the way we're going to leave it. When it's light again, it'll automatically go off.
And if you accidentally take it out of auto mode, to turn auto mode back on, you just simply unplug it and replug it in.
That's correct. Well, thanks for setting that up, Johnny. Good work. So Johnny has my glow set up, and he called it
Glow.
Glow.
Alexa, turn on glow.
Okay.
Alexa, set glow to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, set glow to color flow.
Okay.
Alexa, set a 2-minute rainbow timer on glow.
2 minutes. Starting now with glow.
And while that happens, I'll show some other stuff. So, a couple other things you can do with this is you can tap it, and it'll change the color.
Huh?
There's also a little button on right here,
On the back?
and I'll turn it off manually.
Okay.
So
Yeah, this is made for kids, but I like color changing lights, so I got one for me. We had a consent to some stuff during the install because it's a device, quote unquote, for children. It says even if there are no children in your house or they're all older, you still have to consent to it. So, okay, we did that. We followed the instructions. And we'll see what it does when the timer runs out.
Alright, Alexa, set glow to maximum brightness.
Okay.
Alexa, Set glow to 25%.
Okay.
Alexa, set glow to color flow.
Okay.
So once you turn it on, it stays on until you turn it off or tap it or press the button or...
Yep, Alexa, turn glow off. Alexa, turn glow off.
Okay.
By the way, the Alexa that's listening to all the commands in here is the flex, so it's a good thing to set up the flex first. And we just set it up in here. We're going to move it out on my, I guess, end table. So it is set to blue right now. I know the camera is like, and now it's white. So it is changing the color. Huh. All right, Alexa, stop. So having it on and versus off allowed the timer to work properly. Well, we're learning. I like the glow. It's about the size of my hand. So it wouldn't take up a lot of room. I'd say it's like 3 inches across for it the most. And Don's out on his run. I'm going to play Pokemon Go. I tried another mini-me with the Pivo, with him getting ready for his run. It looked a little dark. Maybe I can lighten it up. I guess I tried to keep him totally in the shade versus letting him be in a mixed shade sun location. Maybe I should have just put him totally in the sun by the carport. I'll keep playing with it though. I guess somehow it's not fair that I come and sit while Dawn runs, but you know, hey, whatever works, right? It's 51, sunny, pleasant. You're doing good, Donnie. You're doing good. Love you. Love you.
Love you.
Kids are having fun on the basketball court. The flags are blowing in the wind. It's a pretty afternoon.
Look what we found just laying around somewhere. I don't know how this happened.
Maybe it was left over from New Year's.
Maybe.
Wow, look at you.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Yeah, what can I say?
We'll just add this to the list of holiday food
Yeah,
items that we
yeah.
needed to use up.
Can't have this laying around.
That's right.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. And celebrating 1,000 subscribers.
Oh yeah, congratulations to me, 1,000 subscribers.
Well, I couldn't do it without your and Johnny's help.
Well, yeah. But
Yeah.
It's all, but yes, it's a team effort, but you're the team leader for sure.
Okay. Cheers. Well, so far I'm really liking the Flex with the night light attachment. It's plenty of light for coming in here at night and grabbing something without having to turn on the big light. I doubt we'll leave it on overnight. We're probably just going to tell the light to turn itself off, and it'll stay off for 12 hours. And then it'll go back into auto mode. So, yeah, I like it. I'm glad we got it. You know, it's got all the built-in A functions too, so I could play music on it. And then Don's got the glow hooked up over here. It's hard to realistically see the color, but it's currently red. Well, this is my first shot at homemade nachos. I'm thinking it's turned out pretty good. Got a lot of hamburger on there.